Kia ora, son. How was school? Oh, that's awesome!
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold on, Q. Yeah.
Kia ora whānau. Here's 3 questions you can ask your kids when you pick them up from school. First up is, I pēhea te kura? I pēhea, how was the kura? How was the kura? How's my nose? Do I have hoops? Some hoops up there? No. I pēhea te kura. Yeah, how was school? Another thing that you can ask is, he mahi kāinga? Do you have homework? He mahi kāinga? You know, you got to ask like that with a little bit of tones, you know, pick it up like you're asking a question. He mahi kāinga? And they'll probably say, kao. Yeah, no, we don't have any homework, mum, dad. And you say, ooh, rukahu. Pehana wo hoa. E pehana wo hoa. E, ana, now, pehea, how, o hoa, your friends. You could also say, kai te pehea wo hoa as well. Kind of means the same thing. How's your mates? Are they good? So those are 3 questions that you can ask your kids when you pick them up from school. There we have a whānau, kia kaha. Have an awesome day.